Hello guys and welcome back. So we are here in Las Vegas. We're actually in between the old Monte Carlo and New York, New York. This will take you back to the T-Mobile Arena where the Golden Knights would play. So we'll kind of show you that here in a second. And we'll do a quick walkthrough of the old Monte Carlo, the new Park MGM. So we'll show you that. So if you're unaware, MGM had acquired, I think they've owned it for a while. They've owned Monte Carlo, but they're in the process of redoing all of the Monte Carlo and redoing that whole casino from top to bottom. So it should be interesting to see. The new name is Park MGM, so we'll go up there here in a second. We'll take you by the T-Mobile Arena and kind of go through there. I really like what they did with the place. It looks really, really nice. They have a California Pizza Kitchen over here. So California Pizza Kitchen is right up over here. I don't know if you guys can hear any wind interference. It is kind of windy back here. I do have the SmartLav Plus. It does have a small little windscreen, but I'm not sure how well that will work. We tested this out in some high wind conditions back home, but not really anything for in between the buildings, pushing the air through and things like that. So right up over to the left there, that's the T-Mobile Arena, home of the Golden Knights, and hopefully a basketball team soon. I don't know if they were in the talks about getting a basketball team here or not. I know that now they have football and hockey, so basketball shouldn't be too short to follow. The statue is gigantic. I'd have to say it's about 50 feet tall. But yeah, pretty crazy. So we'll walk over here to the good old Monte Carlo and try not to get ran over here by any cars. Just gotta watch out for traffic here. Like I said, this is all under construction here, so that's why we're having to take the big detour around, but oh well. It is really windy back here, guys. T-Mobile Arena looks great though. So a lot of wind.
How do you like it, bro?
Good.
I like the GoPro.
Awesome.
What gimbal is that?
It's the Karma Grip.
Wow.
then the Hero 6. Yeah, 4K vlogs on YouTube. Just search it, or on Google, it should pop up number one. But
I have the DJI Osmo.
nice. Yeah, I was looking at that. I like the Osmo because it's got onboard for the microphone, like you can attach an external mic. This one, it doesn't, so I just use my Zoom H1.
That's all you need. You know, to be honest with you, I don't. It's like they're pretty much the same, because I do video and
Yeah,
they're like everything. They have the good and the bad. The Osmo was okay,
right.
but it's real fragile.
Yeah,
And like it's easy. Like that is straight connection.
right.
With the Osmo, if you have a bad interruption or anything like that, it can turn off on you. There's more.
Oh, sure.
There's more factors that could go wrong.
Right.
In the sense of that's just point and shoot.
Yeah.
So,
This one is nice, and it's great for all weather too. I've had this thing out when it's negative 22, and it's held up just fine. So.
what are you doing for? YouTube?
Yeah, I
What's
do.
on your channel? I'll check it out.
4K vlogs.
4K vlogs.
Yeah, just search it on Google or search it on YouTube. It should pop
What
up.
is the channel about?
Just Las Vegas filming, tourist stuff, like walking through all the casinos, doing this strip walk down Las Vegas Boulevard. And I do it over the years, so you can see like the changes and progression throughout the year. And I always do it in 4K, and then like try and improve with audio, video, stabilization and everything. So
Wait, it was my
I'm Ryan.
pleasure
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you as well. Have a good one. Yeah, people are always interested to check out some of the camera gear and things that we have for the channel. So hopefully another subscriber there. Beautiful day out here in the sun. It's quite warm, but it's not too hot, so it's decently warm, but it's not like when you come in July. Like right now I'm wearing pants and a t-shirt. Shorts and a t-shirt would have been nice, although this morning it would have been a little bit cold for that. So right here is going to be your check-in for the MGM, or Park MGM, the old Monte Carlo here. So as you can see, they're doing a lot of renovations to this place. So interested to see what it will be like. This is where my mom actually stayed at back 20 some years ago. Back with my mom and dad, stayed here a long time ago. Like we said in July when mom came out with us, all the things that have changed and things like that. And I'm going the wrong way already. Go to casino. But yeah, this place they're all redoing, so it should be interesting to see what it looks like when it gets done. I'm definitely gonna have to stay here. Maybe this might be a time to come back and stay with mom or dad. That way they can check it out and see the things that have changed. So conference center is over to the left. If you turn left there at that T where we just took a right, you go back towards the pool area. But we're coming up here on the casino floor at the Monte Carlo. So we'll do kind of a quick walkthrough of the Monte Carlo, and then we will make our way up towards the Cosmopolitan area. I wanted to get filmed as well on this trip, as well as Planet Hollywood and some other things that we'll have to check out. But now I know this place has been under construction, but I don't think they've done the casino floor just quite yet. I think they've been focusing on the entrance and things like that. And I believe most of this is pretty original to what it looked like originally. So over to the right is going to be where your sports book is. Over here at the good old Monte Carlo. We'll kind of walk through the casino floor here a little bit. I love the ceiling and the chandeliers of the Monte Carlo. It is pretty sweet. A lot of time, money went into this place, and considering that they're revamping it too, it will be interesting to see everything and how it looks when it's all done. So there's going to be a steakhouse and a bar that's up over to the left-hand side here. we'll go ahead and go this way. These machines are huge. So over to the right here is the Park Theater. So if you're seeing any shows, this is probably where it's going to be held. Off over to the right hand side, the carpet and stuff looks really, really dated in here for some reason. I don't know if it's the original carpeting or what, but definitely has the dated look for sure. So the Ignite Lounge is up here. So if you're interested in checking that out, that's where it would be. Like I said, there's a lot of construction going on here, so it's not really fair to do the review and walkthrough of the Monte Carlo. However, we'll do this to have sort of a comparison review for a little bit later, but I hope you all enjoyed the walkthrough here of the Park MGM, actually Old Monte Carlo. They're in the process of redoing it, so we'll see what it looks like in years to come. But anyways, I hope you all like this video. If you do, throw up a thumbs up on today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do so. There's more content like this coming out, so it should be interesting to see for sure. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.